In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Face ID for App Store on iPhone. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So for enable Face ID for App Store, go to settings on your iPhones and just swipe up for Face ID and passcode. Enter your current passcode for security, and as you can see here is disabled iTunes and App Store options for Face ID. So just tap on to toggle on. You need to enter your Apple ID password for confirm, then tap on OK, and it will be enabled Face ID for App Store. After that, open App Store on your iPhone and download apps like this one, and it will require Face ID. Before it will require double tap on power button, and it also required Face ID. So that way it required Face ID, double tap, then record Face ID. So then it will download start. So that way you can enable Face ID for App Store. Pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.